Manufacturers are wasting millions of pounds daily because they're not using their machines to their best potential. And there are technologies to overcome this, such as CAD/CAM systems, but there's a disconnect between what the CAD/CAM system says and what happens on the shop floor. And that disconnect is what we aim to close at DigitalCNC. DigitalCNC is an AMRC spin-out. We're a digital manufacturing software company. We're able to predict the behavior of CNC machines before you actually start machining. The FerretWorks project allows us to validate our software on industrial use cases on commercial machining centres here at the AMRC. This is crucial because it means we can validate our software without impacting production in a normal factory. This is currently a really exciting time for us. We're about to raise our initial seed raise, we're onboarding new staff, and we're also taking on more new customers. I think the FerretWorks project is an incredible asset to any entrepreneur, but what they need to realise is that it's bigger than just the machining or the manufacturing that's here. The AMRC is a network, and having access to that network will rapidly accelerate your business.